it's cold again. We're back in the shop and we're working on this. I'm waiting on the bearing, not the bearing, I'm sorry, the axle seal to come in. I think I found the right one. Napa looks like they had it. It's guaranteed to fit this year. F600, so hopefully we take care of it. But I also want to turn this into a project service announcement, right? Because I made a whole lot more work for myself by not doing appropriate research. So as a project service announcement, do that research. You save yourself a lot of hassle. Instead of doing things twice, you do it once. Like, right, this old seal that came out right here, it is miles bigger than the seal that I was setting. And if I pulled that out, rather than just pull the center seal out, because that's what I did, right? It's got a center seal piece that goes into the center and has a spring that tightens it as it expands the rubber seal. And this is the seat that seats in behind the race bearing on that. And I could have saved myself a whole lot of effort if I had done what I preach all the time, is your research, research, research. And if you don't know how to do something, to get on the forums and ask around for people. I didn't do that because I was rushing to try and get this out, and you should not do that on any project. Even if you have a YouTube channel, you want to get product out to the people. The other thing is, if you remember when we used this little contraption I made right here, you get the wheel off. I was taking my life into my own hands here with that, because I didn't know, or I didn't realize, or I didn't think about the fact that these are split rims, right? They're split rim tires. These big babies right here. And what we were doing, let me find, this is the split rim side right here. We had that bar going across. We could have pushed that in enough that that could have blown off. And if it had blown off, it could have been very detrimental to me. Injured me, potentially kill me, because split rims are notorious for doing that, coming off. So I'm gonna take my own advice here, because I didn't when I initially did this, and do much more research to understand what we are, because Big Bertha is new to me. I haven't had anything this large before. Now, everything is the same, right? It's just size difference and a little bit of what's your procedure? What do you got to do that? So, as a project service announcement, mind your P's and Q's, do your research, ask if you don't know so you don't kill yourself. All right? So that's the PSA part of this.